Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to create a EBS volume. So first of all you have to come your AWS console and from here you have to go your EC2 dashboard. After coming EC2 dashboard you have find a function called EBS Blue Store on the left side of your EC2 dashboard. Now click on the EBS Blue Store. Here you found the volumes. Click on the volumes and click the create volume, and all your available EBS volume you can show here, right? Now create volume. Here first you can type different type of volume types, but depending on need you can choose anything, but now we are choose the EBS general purpose SSD GP3. Then you have to describe your size. I'm choosing 10 GB, and you can put your desired IOPS for your EBS volume. Here I can choose from 3000. You have to choose minimum 3000, then choose maximum 16,000 IOPS. And throughput you have to choose 125 megabyte to max 1000 megabyte. I am choosing the default, that is 125 megabytes per second. Then you can choose your desired availability zone. Here in the inverter region you can choose 6 edges. Then I am choosing the first one, which is East USA A1, and all other settings I keep it default. And now click create volume. You can now see that your volume is now creating here. Your EC2 EBS volume GPT-3 type, then 10 GB in size. Here is your IOPS and your throughput, right? Here is your created date, the which date you are creating. You can see here your availability zone option and your volume state. You can refresh, and now you can see your volume is available to use. Thank you.